you'll never get out of debt. If you keep doing what feels comfortable, and that's exactly why most people stay stuck, because the system you're following was never designed to set you free. It was designed to keep you paying. Let me prove it to you. Imagine you have a 50,000 rupee credit card debt with around 24% interest. Your bank asks for a minimum payment of 2,500. Sounds reasonable. But here's what they don't tell you. Most of that payment doesn't reduce your debt. It feeds the interest. So after paying 2,500, your 50,000 barely moves. Now think about this. If you keep doing that every month for the next 3 years, you won't be escaping debt. You'll be maintaining it. That's the trap. And almost everyone falls for it. First mistake, paying just enough to feel safe. Minimum payments are not a solution. They're a delay. They make you feel in control while slowly keeping you stuck. Even a small extra payment every month goes directly toward breaking the cycle. Same income, different outcome. Second mistake, trying to be logical. Most people think I should clear the biggest debt first. Mathematically, that sounds right. But here's the problem. You're not a spreadsheet. You're human. Big debt feels endless. No progress, no motivation, you quit. That's why the smart move is the opposite. Start with the smallest debt. Kill it fast. Feel the win. Because once your brain sees progress, it wants more. That's how momentum is built. Not with logic, but with wins. Third mistake, waiting for more money. This one keeps people stuck for years. I'll start when I earn more. No, you won't. Because if your system is broken now, more money will only make the problem bigger. Look closely at your last 7 days. Small spends, random purchases, subscriptions you forgot. It's not one big mistake. It's hundreds of small leaks, and those leaks are funding your debt. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Debt is not a money problem. It's a behavior problem. Fix the behavior, and the money follows. Ignore it. And no amount of income will save you. So do this. Pick one debt. Not the biggest, the smallest. Focus on it completely. Eliminate it. Then move to the next, and the next, until there's nothing left. Because the moment you stop playing their game is the moment you finally start winning yours. If this helped you see things clearly, there's more like this coming.